I regret spending $450 on my Dyson when this $130 vacuum does the exact same job, maybe better. My Dyson sits in the closet collecting dust while this Nyven gets used daily. The battery lasts twice as long, it's way lighter to carry around, and it picks up pet hair my expensive vacuum left behind. I wish someone had told me before I wasted all that money on a brand name. The Nyven has LED headlights, powerful suction, and zero cord drama. If you're thinking about buying a Dyson, save yourself $320 and get this instead. Trust me on this one.